Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and when I make coffee, it's really important to me to have an excellent filter that is also unbleached and 100% biodegradable. That's why I love these coffee filters from California Containers. You get 200 in the set, so they're gonna really last. They are a natural unbleached paper, which means they're 100% biodegradable, so you can feel good about using them, and they have an extra large capacity. So I use these for my pour over coffee system, and it's important to me that I'm able to fill that whole area with water without getting any overflow from the coffee grinds. And because of the incredibly large size of these coffee filters, they do exactly what I need them to do. So if you are looking for a large capacity coffee filter that is 100% biodegradable and made from an unbleached paper, then you can't go wrong with these coffee filters. You get a ton of them, 200 in the package, so they're really a good value. They last, they do not tear easily. I find them to be exactly what I need for making my coffee every single day. They're my favorite coffee filter, no joke, because they're reliable and I feel good about using them. And that is my point of view.